Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Welcome to Yes You Can channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove cache, delete cache, temporary files for Windows 10 or 11. So you go to settings, search for settings, select settings. Once you're in settings, you go to system. So click onto system and then you scroll down until you see storage. So you click onto storage and then here is temporary files. So give it a moment or two to load up and then you will see temporary files. You click on that and then these are all your temporary files of megabytes. Can you see you've got DirectX, you've got thumbnails, delivery optimization files, temporary internet files, every single temporary file. I want to remove it basically. Yeah, anything stored in Windows, I want to remove the cache temporary files. So you click on it, press continue, and then it will delete everything. As you can see, it's removed all the temporary files. That's very simple as that, guys. So you can also click on to clean up. So this is more to do with like Windows updates or antivirus, any updates that are temporarily stored. So your system will benefit more to a more thorough cleanup. I hope this video has helped you.